be mounted on the wall. So any of the doors or the windows, she buys the blinds or the covers, we will install them. The next is the floorings. The most likely 90% the customers picking the wood floor. We're gonna remove the carpet. We're gonna remove the tile here. We're gonna remove the carpet in this bedroom. And then we're gonna remove carpet in this bedroom. And underneath this floor, there's gonna be plywood because there's a concrete underneath here. And underneath the concrete, there's gonna be insulation. And then the waterproof on the floor. And the waterproof, just like the basement waterproof, is gonna be on the floor.
Oh, why my video stop?
Well, it probably is too long. Maybe you don't have enough space.
I don't know that I have enough space. I think you're gonna have to send me that.
Oh, I have this link. You can always, I will send you this link. You can always watch this link.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening to my video.
You have Facebook, right? Or your husband?
No, I'll get Facebook.
Yeah, if you get a Facebook, I will send you this link.
Okay.
It will survive forever.
Okay, now it's going again. I don't know why.
Maybe you don't have enough space, like you have like 60 gigabyte or 25. You know, they don't give you too much space. So underneath the wood floor, there's gonna be 3/4 6-inch wood floor. If she gets a bigger plank, doesn't matter, it's the same labor. The underneath is gonna be the plywood, 3/4, the 5/8 plywood underneath the insulation, waterproof underneath there. And then we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna stain it to the color she picks. So this is the closets that we're gonna work on. Also, the front door is gonna be painted. The caulk needs to be done. If repair needs to be done. If the floor door jamb is too low, we cannot do too much on here, but we can cut the front door underneath and then raise this jamb, this piece. Because you have this door, we cannot do too much on this. But we'll be able to raise this one up. So we will raise that piece, cut underneath the door, and then we will put a sweeper underneath the door. And the closet here, just build a closet, this one, right? Yeah, this one is gonna be a closet. Washer and dryer is gonna be here. If we cannot move the plumbing up, the heater in upstairs, it will be here. But if we can, it will be upstairs in the closet. This one is gonna be
like a pantry utility
closet.
We're gonna change the doors somehow here.
Yeah, that's not a problem. So now the stairs. These stairs is gonna be custom built with oak, whichever the wood that she will pick. Custom built with the wood. That is gonna start from here, go to that corner. We're gonna open up a door in that corner, entryway to that corner, and then underneath the cabinet, underneath the stairs, there's gonna be a closet where she can, if the bike fits in, she's gonna put the bike in there. Because of the distance, we don't know if the bike will fit right in, but it looks like it will fit in, so you will have that one. Now the master. In this bedroom, we're just gonna paint the walls, wood floor, known. All the base moldings needs to be changed. We're gonna do the base moldings. If she wants the blind changed, we're gonna change the blinds. Here, you will have just paint and base moldings.
And I'm looking at rid of these lights.
Yes.
Right, what are you gonna paint?
You have in a hi-hats, yeah. So in this bathroom, there's gonna be new electrical hi-hats. We're gonna have a new vent that is gonna have a speaker and the fan and the night light in it.
And there might be a hanging fixture also.
And hanging fixture over the tub. There's gonna be new vanities, new medicine cabinets if she wants a medicine cabinet. This whole bathroom is gonna be drawn and confirmed with the customer, and then install a new if she wants to put a bigger tub or she wants to put a bigger shower. This will all be done, but the customer will purchase her own accessories, like the tub, shower controls, vanity, or the toilet. She could go for total, so no one knows. But the plumbing, electrical would be new and done by a licensed plumber and electrician.
And a tub and a bath and a shower.
Yeah, there's gonna be walk-in shower and stand-up tub. There's a chance that we could do the radiant heat on the floor. Okay, now upstairs, the other bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see, this is very
Yeah, I
important.
don't know why the first video, why it went off so.
That's okay. I have the whole thing as a one shot, so once you have the Facebook, I will send you the link. So this bathroom is gonna have a tub. The whole bathroom is getting gutted again. If we can, we're gonna change this vanity to the right, toilet to the left. It will have more space to the shower. And then all the bathrooms gonna have a niche. All the bathrooms gonna have a new shower body, new electrical work, like the ventilation or the lights. We're not gonna do lights like this. We're gonna do hi-hats, new outlets with GFI outlets, new floor, new vanity. And pretty much we got in the bathroom out, so it's gone. The bathroom is gonna go down to the bones, to the frames. Okay, this one is done. This bedroom, most likely paint. We already talked about the floor. We're gonna do the paints on the walls, paint on the ceiling, hi-hats in the ceiling, no lights in the corners. If the outlet needs to be changed, any of the outlets is older or aluminum, the outlets will be changed.
Right.
And the closet, just simple closet setup.
Right.
Yeah, if the customer wants to change the doorknobs, contractor will change the doorknobs, no charge. So up here, same closet, simple setup. Will be painted it. The doors, we'll probably change this door these doors don't have too much choice because of the cuts.
Were we gonna build the closet out here? The only issue is the light, and then you can.
The light is not an issue.
So you could do a regular closet door here and just open this wall so that the closet kind of, you know what I mean?
Sure.
So that might be easier.
Okay. So this floor is gonna have a new wood floor. This floor doesn't need any kind of underlayment because this floor is just a simple wood floor. It's gonna have a 6-inch seam.
It doesn't need anything for the noise?
No. And the walls here, either this wall or that wall, she will build one of these with the walls and the door. And the rest of these will be handrail. The lighting, there's gonna be chandelier coming down from here about 10 feet, the same height as the handrail. And then she's gonna have a hi-hats after I show her
Maybe the height of maybe the
underneath.
floor. It might be the height
Sure.
of the floor.
Yeah.
I think so.
I mean, that's something you can decide with the electrician.
Right.
So the most likely, we're gonna remove this setup. They don't want the vacuum anymore. Most likely, if there is no problem, we're gonna move all the heater here.
Or I don't know if I can keep the central vac but move it upstairs.
You could, but nobody uses the central vac.
Yeah.
Like
Alright, so
literally nobody.
We'll rip out all the central vac
Yeah,
stuff.
we would have brown. Hold on 1 second. You definitely need a new toilet. It's flashing a lot of water. So, new bathroom. This bathroom is gonna have a walk-in shower. And what is like this one? Okay. So this bathroom is gonna have a walk-in shower, new toilet, New vanity, if it's possible. Medicine cabinet on this side, I guess. A new floor, new sheetrock, new ventilation, new lights, new plumbing. And I think pretty much that's it on this side.
What's this gas switch? Does that need to stay there?
That's your oil, you know the oil, the boiler? So you can turn it off permanent. It doesn't come on when you're not here. Like in summertime, you can turn this off.
Do I
That's
need,
for
do
the-
I need it there?
Oh yeah. You don't need it here, but you need it somewhere.
All right,
It's got to be somewhere.
can we move that somewhere so it's a little more attractive?
And we could move it, but it's got to be somewhere you see it.
Okay.
You understand? Like this is why there's this color on it. It has to be somewhere like where people is running, they can turn right off. It says it catches a fire. You turn this off. The whole thing will be shut down.
Then?
Yeah.
Can we put it downstairs? And then...
You could, but most likely when people sleeping up here, this is the hardest to get. But you can move it downstairs. But you see, you're gonna move the tank is here, so most likely it will be better to have it up here now.
Okay. Okay.
You can move it on this corner, but still you want to have it somewhere you see.
Okay.
Very visible. Any questions on all the things that we talk about?
Oh, all right. And we have to decide if we're leaving that open or putting in.
Yeah. Right now we talked about we're gonna leave it open. We're just gonna cut it and open it. But if you do decide for French door, that just we talk about that after.
Okay.
Okay. And keep this. Do keep this video though until entire time. So this way, anytime you have a question, you will say you open it and say, "Oh, listen, look, when it said this," and then you have access to it.